Now more than ever, we need a seamless way to stay connected. Fortunately, with Microsoft Teams Calling, your colleagues and customers are just a call away. Teams brings together calling, meetings, chat, collaboration, and apps, helping you easily stay connected right in the flow of your work. With capabilities like spam identification, you can feel more confident answering important calls. And it's easy to take calls with you anywhere you go. Stay connected wherever you're working with reliable devices, from low-cost phones, traditional desk and video phones, to new form factors like Teams displays for richer call experiences, complete with Cortana. And with flexible monthly payment plans through the new Teams Device as a Service program, getting your users the devices they need is easier than ever. Teams is a robust calling platform that every part of the business can feel confident running on. With collaborative calling features, departments like HR can solve important issues as a team. Certified contact center solutions seamlessly integrate to securely and reliably serve your customers, because every call matters. And for the most critical calls, capabilities like Survivable Branch Appliance can help keep you connected, even in the event of an outage. Restore personal connections and stay in touch with colleagues and customers with Teams Calling.